Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to charge Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xe easy method. Locate the charge port on the left front fender and open it, then confirm the vehicle is in park. Select a compatible level 1 or level 2 EVs and inspect the cable for damage. Plug the connector fully into the vehicle, start the charging session on the EVs if required, and monitor the dash or app until charging begins. Before you plug in, always inspect your charging cable and connector for visible damage and keep the area dry. Use a dedicated circuit and avoid extension cords or unapproved adapters to prevent overheating. If you plan to charge at home, consider a licensed electrician to install level 2 charging for faster fills. Keep your phone or app handy to monitor charging status and receive alerts for any interruptions or completed sessions. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy EV tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your Jeep smelling great after a day on the road. It's a small, affordable refresh that pairs nicely with charging breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Wake the vehicle and unlock the charge port using the key fob or interior release, then open the port cover. Connect the EVs connector until it clicks and the vehicle shows a charging indicator light or app confirmation. Let the battery charge to your desired state of charge, then stop the session via the charger or vehicle app. Unlock the connector, remove it gently, close the port cover, and store the cable properly when finished.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.